All right, today we are diving deep into the BYD F3 2026.
Ah, the one that's supposed to break the equation for budget cars.
That is the exact phrase our source, Cars Press, uses. So our mission is pretty simple. Does it actually offer unbeatable value at a rock-bottom price?
Or are the sacrifices you have to make just too painful to accept?
Exactly.
What's fascinating to me is how clearly this car defines its goal. It's not trying to be sporty or luxurious. It's just an economic tool.
Which brings us straight to the engine. It's a practical 1.5 liter, puts out about 108 or 109 horsepower.
Pretty standard stuff.
But the number that really jumps out is the torque, 145 Newton meters. It sounds sluggish.
It is. I mean, to put that in perspective, you're looking at a 0 to 100 kilometer per hour time of around 11.5 to maybe 13 seconds.
So it really is just a city commuter.
Absolutely. The trade-off, though, is excellent fuel economy. We're talking 6.2 to 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers. It's built for low running costs, not thrills.
And you get a choice of transmission, right?
Yep.
A basic 5-speed manual or the more popular CVT automatic.
Yeah, the continuously variable transmission, which is all about keeping that engine in its most efficient range.
Okay, but here's where it supposedly breaks that equation. The price.
Right. It starts around, what, 65? 650,000 Egyptian pounds or 45,000 Saudi riyals.
Which is roughly $13,500 US for the base model.
And for that price, Cars Press highlights something surprising.
The interior space.
Exactly. They say it has generous head and legroom and that you can genuinely fit 3 adults in the back. That's a huge selling point compared to its rivals.
So if the space is great and the price is low, where do they cut the corners? You know they had to.
Oh, they did. And the first place you'll notice it is the feel of the materials.
Hard plastics everywhere.
All over the place. It affects the the tactile quality. But to their credit, they didn't skimp on connectivity. Higher trims get an 8 or even a 10.1-inch screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is a key feature in this segment.
Okay, so we've got a good price, great space. Let's unpack the trade-offs. Beyond the plastics, the source points to a big one.
Noise isolation.
Yeah.
It's a major weak point. The report says sound and wind intrusion on the highway is significant.
So it turns a good deal into a tiring drive.
A very tiring drive.
Yeah.
And if you get the automatic, you also get that classic CVT weakness.
Oh, wind.
That high-revving drone or floating sound during a hard acceleration. One tester called it an angry dishwasher.
That's vivid.
Yeah.
But let's talk about the biggest compromise. Safety.
This is the real indicator of its philosophy. It has the basics, ABS, EBD, dual airbags.
But no ADAS. No advanced driver assistance systems.
None. No lane departure warning, no automatic emergency braking. And that's not just a comfort feature anymore. That's becoming a standard for collision mitigation.
So when you stack it up against rivals like the Nissan Sunny or the Chery Arrizo 5...
Well, the Sunny is still the king of reliability, and the Arrizo has better tech and a more modern design.
So where does the F3 win?
It wins on pure, unadulterated running costs. The maintenance is known to be exceptionally low, and its fuel efficiency is superior.
So the final grade from the source, relative to its price, is a 6.5 out of 10.
Which seems fair. It's the ultimate sacrifice car. You're trading sensory appeal and modern safety for today's savings.
It's a smart investment, but only for the most budget-conscious buyer.
And that really brings us to the core question for you. If this car represents maximum savings, but minimum safety and refinement,
how much is the peace and quiet of better sound insulation, or the security of an automatic braking system, truly worth to you on your daily commute?
It's something to really mull over when you're crunching the numbers on a car like this.